Hello friends, welcome to the Localized channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sparkle PCIe Gen 4 Quad M.2 Riser Card. So friends, Sparkle introduced the PCIe Gen 4 Quad M.2 Riser Card, and this single slot full height card is meant to be installed on a PCI-Express 4.0 by 16 slot, which is wired out as 4 M.2 22 110 slots with Gen 4 by 4 wiring and mounting bolt side to M.2 2280 by default, which the drives in place, and the card is meant to be covered by a metal shroud. There is no contact between the shroud and the drives underneath. Cooling comes in form of two lateral-blower fans that guide airflow under the shroud. The first fan is 60 mm in size while the second one is 50 mm. Both are controlled by localized fan speed control with 3-speed setting that can be selected by a 3-way switch on the rear I/O shield. Next to it are 4 LEDs that denote power and activity of the user drive, and the card is 28 cm long, 12 cm tall. What sets the Sparkle's card apart from other brands is that the card relies entirely on PCIe slot for powering itself. And friend, unlike some cards that use 6-pin connector, the company didn't reveal the pricing yet. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.